Welcome friends on Trek Tactics YouTube channel. I ordered the windshield from Carbon Racing website. They delivered the product through Indian Post. The packaging was damaged and the box was partially open. I opened the box to check all the accessories are intact in this damaged box. The product inside the box was unharmed and safe. The windshield and fitments were in good condition. I got windshield and a box containing all fitments required to install the shield. This box contains all fitments and this is the windshield. I checked if I received all the required fitments in the box. I received shield mounting, handle mounting, brackets for classic 350, extra spares, windshield base brackets, main mounting, and 2 steel rods with plastic ball at the end to rotate the rod at 360 degree. I started installing rubber washer, which minimized the impact of vibration on windshield fittings. Push the rubber washer properly, otherwise it will be damaged. Pass the bolt through rubber washer. The bolt head should be outer side of the windshield. I placed the nuts on bolts, but not fastened completely. I followed the same process for rest of main holes in the windshield. Fixing rubber washer is little bit hectic. This should have been fitted by Carbon Racing for ready to use. It consumes considerable amount of time to fix rubber washers in all 8 holes of windshield. Also, there is possibility that the washer or the windshield may get damaged while fixing the rubber washer. You can see I have not removed the plastic wrapper on the windshield because this protects from scratches during the installation process. Carbon Racing do not provide any spanners required for installation. Therefore, keep all spanners ready before starting installation. Before fitting the shield mounting, ensure the bolt's head is facing inward to tighten it easily. Now loose the shield mounting bolts to fix plastic ball of the steel rod in shield mount. Once you place the steel rod head in shield mounting, fasten the bolts of shield mounting. Follow the same process for other shield mounting. That is, first loosening the bolt off shield mount to make space for rubber ball of steel rod. Then placing the rubber ball of steel rod in the shield mount. And then tighten the bolts of shield mount. Now insert the rubber washer and bolt in rest of the 4 holes at the base of shield. Once you install the rubber washers, now it's time to fix the base bracket of windshield. Follow the same process to install other base bracket of windshield. Now it's time to install plastic bracket. Install one end of classic bracket to the windshield base bracket, and other end will be fixed to headlight body of the motorcycle. Classic bracket's bend should be placed inside so that it can be fixed properly to headlight body. Follow the same process to install other classic bracket. Now place the windshield on the headlight and tighten the headlight bolts. Use long screwdriver to fasten the headlight bolts. The last step is to install the handle mount to the handlebar and to attach the steel rod of windshield to the handle mount. Remove the bolt from handle mount and make 2 separate pieces of the handle mount. Check the best place to fix the handle mount to the handlebar. Insert one end of steel rod in the detached part of the handle mount. Attach both the part of handle mount and tighten the bolt. Follow the same process to insert other rod in handle mount. Once we finish the installation completely, this is how the windshield looks on Classic 350. Thank you for watching complete video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.